In this document, we have 6 artboards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This white area, we call it artboard. We can press Ctrl 0 to make the artboard fit the window. And if we want to see all the artboards at once, we can click on View and click on Fit All in Window. And now we see all the artboards. I want to go back, fit artboard in window, and if we go here, artboard navigation, we can switch between artboards just like that. We can either use this method or we can click on this arrow, the next arrow, and the previous arrow. If we want to add a new artboard, it's possible to do that using this tool, the artboard tool. We click, we press and maintain space to access the hand tool and move. We go here using the artboard tool. I'm going to create a new artboard just like that and another artboard right here. Just like that. It's very simple. And if we go here, we see now that we have 8 artboards. I want to go back and undo what I did. To do that, I can click Edit and then click on Undo, or my favorite way and a more practical way using the shortcut Control Z, Control Z. I want you to learn this because you're going to use it a lot. So Control Z, whenever you make a mistake or you want to cancel what you did, just press Control Z. If you want to resize the artboard using the same tool, the artboard tool, you can resize it just like that by going to the corners, the points, and you can resize any artboard however you want. You have to click on the artboard first and then you can resize it as you like. I'm gonna undo what I did using the Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. If you want to move an artboard using the same tool, you click on the artboard and just like that you can move the artboard. Control Z to go back. If you want to move the artboard and the content of the artboard, meaning in this case the number 3, click here, move/copy artwork with artboard. Make sure it's checked. And now if you move the artboards, it will move with the content of the artboard, meaning the number 3. Control Z to go back. If you want to delete an artboard, it's very simple. You just click on the artboard and then click the button delete. And now the artboard is gone. Control Z to undo that. Right here, we have the artboard window. We click. If you can't find it here, it's very simple. You can just go to window and then click on artboards. I'm gonna press Control 0 to make it fit the screen. And now, if you want to go from artboard to the other, you can just double click on this window and you can move easily. If you want, for example, to rename an artboard, you can just double click on the name. I'm gonna change this from artboard 6 to artboard 0. Press enter. I can even change the order of the artboards. I'm gonna take this artboard 0 from 6 and make it the artboard number 1, as you see right here. It became the first. I can move the artboard, the entire artboard, from here to here. And now this became the first artboard. We can also rearrange the artboards. I want them to be next to each other on the same line. To do that, it's possible. you just click here on this icon, rearrange all artboards. Click. There are many options to choose from. I'm gonna click here, arrange by row. You can choose the direction from right to left or left to right. I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm gonna add some spacing. Let's say 200 millimeters, and then press OK and see what happens. Now they're all rearranged on the same line. We can also create a new document. New document, choose the A4 preset, choose the number of the artboards we want. I want 5 artboards, and then I can even click here, more settings, and I want them to be arranged by row, just like that. I want them on the same line next to each other, and I'm gonna set the spacing to 30 millimeters, let's say, and then click on create document. And now we have a document with 5 artboards next to each other.